Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to transfer Chase points to Marriott Bonvoy. So it has been a question for a long time already, so if you can transfer your Chase Ultimate Rewards to Marriott Bonvoy. So it's pretty simple, the answer is yes. You can actually transfer it using the points, and the points is 1-to-1 ratio. For 1,000 Chase Rewards, it's going to be 1,000 Marriott Bonvoy points. So the first thing you'll have to do is transfer the travel partners in your Ultimate Rewards in your own Chase account. So you have to log in, locate this button. From there, you want to just convert it right here in the rewards basically, and you'll be able to redeem it into Marriott Bonvoy points so that you'll be able to convert it. And it's just that simple to transfer Chase points to Marriott Bonvoy. So again, if you did not follow, as you can see right here, so you just have to log into your Chase Ultimate Rewards account, drop down arrow, top left corner, and go to your point balance basically. From there, you want to travel to transfer to travel partner. It's just that simple. So it's again top left corner, drop down menu. Then once you do the drop down menu, transfer to travel partners, and it's just that simple.